Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be seeing what we saved and stuffing Paycheck 2 of October. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how much we saved last week. So in household, I saved $10. Miscellaneous, I also saved $10. And in lunch, I saved $15. And in my personal, I saved $15. So that came up to 10, 20, 30, 30. So it came up to 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, $50. And let's see what we're going to be stuffing this week. I hate when I go to the bank and they don't put the money right. And I try to avoid the little guy that I get all the time because he has issues counting. And he usually has to count the money back to me about 3 or 4 times. Okay, let's see if I did this right. So it gives us 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 510. $310 is what we're going to be stuffing. And I did not take money out for my lawn services today because it has been raining. He's been sick, so he hasn't been around. So I still have the money from last week. So we're going to start with our cash envelopes, and first I'm going to take out next week's money. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. $80 that we're going to go put in our envelope for next week's stuffing. So household is going to get $10. Miscellaneous is also going to get $10. Lunch is going to get $15. And my personal is also going to get $15. So I'm going to put my envelopes to the side. My husband is going to get $15 for his lunch. and $15 for his personal. So it gives him $10, $20, $25, $30 that I'm going to put aside until I'm ready to give it to him. And we're going to get started with our stuffing. So of course Beauty is going to get the $30 that I saved in 20, 25, 30. And I think I said that I was going to get my nails done last week. I don't get them done last week. I get them done this morning. So it gives me 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, $140 in my Beauty envelope. And I do need to get some more face products, and I do need to get my nails done. Lawn service won't get anything. Medical is going to get $10. So it gives me 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $160 in medical. My mom's final expenses is going to get $10. So it gives her 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, $505 in her final expenses. Backup is going to get $20 for right now. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 89, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, $1,075 in our backup funds. And that is all for this binder. Finance binder, Debt Snowball is going to get $10. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 70, 80, 90, 9, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, $940 in our Debt Snowball envelope. Our loan is going to also get $10. So it gives me 1,000, 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, $1,176 in my loan envelope. 1 month ahead is going to get $10. So it gives me 1,000, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, $1,165 in 1 month ahead. And that is all for this binder. In our retirement binder, emergency fund is going to get $10. That gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. $980 in our emergency fund. And in our savings envelope, it's also going to get $10. So it gives us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. $980 in our savings binder. And that is all for this binder. And our last binder, Christmas, is going to get $10. So it gives us 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 5, 10, 12, 14. $314 in our Christmas envelope. And that is all for this binder. And that gives me $10 left. I'm going to leave this out because I need to finish getting my grandson's birthday gifts. He is having a birthday party on the 21st, and I need to finish getting his gifts. I will be taking some money from my beauty to finish getting what I want to get him. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, and it would help my channel. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.